Hey, welcome back to the channel. Disclaimer: information in this video is derived from victims' reports and generally accessible information. If you are a victim, you're not alone. Join others and report to enveracapital.io for guidance. They process requests faster than traditional bodies because of the collective strength of the community voice. Today's report highlights the dangerous website mainnetsdiy.com, posing as a wallet security service. Victims report operators claim to help secure or verify crypto wallets by requesting direct connections. This is a trap. Once linked, attackers gain full access, draining wallets and transferring assets swiftly. Many victims see their funds vanish within minutes, with no warning or recovery options. Mainnetsdiy.com is not a security tool. It's a deception designed to trick users into giving access under false protection claims. If a site asks you to connect your wallet for security, treat it as a red flag. Legitimate platforms never ask for such connections. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and subscribe for more critical crypto scam warnings.